So I just finished making homemade Reese's Pieces peanut butter and jelly cups. And Bobby really likes them. And I have leftovers. I made a video before in the past, and I will link it in the description, on how to make breakfast cinnamon rolls out of biscuits. And we're gonna use some of these leftovers I have from the Reese's Pieces cups I made to make some cinnamon rolls. And I'm totally throwing this together. I don't have a recipe. Maybe I'll get one from this video. Let's see what happens. Obviously, we're gonna start with, I didn't mean for this to pop open. I just took the wrapper off and then I was doing something else and it went, pop. This is just Pillsbury Grand Southern Homemade Biscuits. I don't know how many I'm gonna need. So, first, I put a little flour on my surface. And then on my roll pan. Let's go with 1, 2, and 3 to start. A little more flour. You see me okay? Working on my lighting. That's in the making here. I'm just gonna roll these out. Normally when I do cinnamon rolls, I use butter. I've been cooking all day. We're using some extra virgin olive oil. Hey, just a little bit. Spread it around. Really did not take much. And a little bit of light brown sugar. Bobby just ate one of my white chocolate Reese's cups, jelly, and he loves it. White chocolate's his favorite. There's probably plenty of that. Gotta have a little bit of cinnamon. Normally I like a lot. Today we're doing a little. Then we'll roll this up to like a log.
For example, a person might leave something on the desk for someone else to find, but Ranger wouldn't go on there.
Well, pinch these edges down. And today we're going to be using our muffin tin. Because I already used it. I did clean it, but you know, why not? So I need 12 of these circles. I'm using a pizza cutter because it's here. Cut the edges off. Okay. So right now they look kind of like that. And I'm just gonna get some olive oil spray real quick. Forgot about that. I'm gonna put that on my grocery list. Alright, so just stick them in there. I have the oven preheated at 350 degrees. Some of them are going to be different shape than others. Some of them are different sizes than others. That's okay. Milk. Lightly spritz. They use a little bit of olive oil. They're going in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Side note, since I do have leftover biscuits, let's cook them. Let's put them on some pressure paper. The oven's already at 350. Just gonna put them on the next rack. Let's make the toppings for the cinnamon rolls. Confectioner's sugar, powdered sugar, about a cup. A little bit of vanilla extract. Dash. Ready? Dash. Touch of milk. It's gonna depend on how much you end up needing. Start with 2 tablespoons. Give that a mix. And I need butter in this. And I don't have any butter melted. Shoo. Ooh, I do have something in the fridge. And here's some butter I had from our crawfish boil. A little bit better. Mixy mix. Let's add some more milk. Keep mixing till we're creamy. Let's pull these out of the oven. Now, here's the secret ingredient. This is the leftovers I had from making Bobby's Reese's cups. It's basically peanut butter, white powdered sugar, and I don't remember what else I put in there. Let me look. Butter. Put that on top. I had half this piping bag left. Why waste it? We give that just a minute to set, and then we'll put the topping on, and these will be done. Okay, now that these are completely cold, I can touch the bottom of the pans. They're not hot. We're gonna add our warm drizzle mix. Top. Just give it a little drizzle. Hey, more sugar. Why not? Go for it. If you're gonna go big. Go big or go home, right? Well, peanut butter. Smells like peanut butter in this house. Just using up what's left in here. I'm going to let these cool completely. Put them in a container. Put them in the refrigerator. They can be reheated in the microwave or, yeah, whatever you want to do. Interesting. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Terry has no idea what she's doing, and we're just playing with some leftovers. Get some feedback tomorrow when people wake up. It's late. It's time for me to eat. Crawfish etouffee. Yeah. It's calling me. Y'all have a blessed night. See y'all soon. There's one of our cinnamon rolls. Let's open it up. Darn, I wish I liked eating sweets. That looks really good. Juicy, yummy. All right, I'll take one for the team. I'll take a bite. Let's see. It's good. I mean, if you like sweets, it's good. It tastes like a cinnamon roll with crunchy peanut butter. It's got some other crunch to it, which I'm guessing is this bottom part. It's really good. I can't wait for Bobby to wake up and try one in the morning. He's gonna love it. Put some butter on top, warm it up. It'll be excellent.